Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Faire for wholesale liquidation liquidators, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Apps section in the Shopify dashboard. Click on the Visit the Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type Faire and hit Enter. Locate the Faire app in the search results and click on it. Review the app details to ensure it meets your needs. Click the Add App button to begin the installation process. You will be redirected to the Permissions page. Review the permissions required by the Faire app. If you agree to the terms, click on Install App. You will be prompted to log into your Faire account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, enable the integration between Shopify and Faire. Select the Shopify store you want to connect. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Once connected, navigate back to your Shopify dashboard. Access the Faire app settings within Shopify. Customize your product listings according to your wholesale offerings. Set your pricing and inventory accordingly for liquidation purposes. Ensure all product descriptions are accurate and appealing to buyers. Save your changes and sync your product listings. Test the integration by placing a mock order through Faire. Monitor your Shopify dashboard for order updates and notifications. Adjust any settings if you encounter issues during the test order. Once satisfied, begin promoting your Faire listings to potential wholesale buyers. Regularly check back to update inventory and pricing as needed. Stay informed on any changes from either platform to maintain a seamless experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.